Realty Income is a special type of company. It is a real estate investment trust, or REIT. This means it owns many properties that make money. Think of shopping centers or standalone stores. Its main job is to earn income from these properties. Then, it shares that income with people who own its stock. The company is famously known as the Monthly Dividend Company registered trademark. This nickname highlights its commitment to regular payouts for its investors. It is a key player in the world of income-focused investing, dedicated to providing consistent returns. For many investors, receiving a steady income is very important. Realty Income understands this need very well. That is why it pays dividends to its shareholders every single month. This is quite different from many other companies. Most companies, if they pay dividends, do so only 4 times a year. Receiving income 12 times a year can be very helpful for managing personal finances. This reliable monthly check is a big reason people trust Realty Income. It's a cornerstone of their investment philosophy, and a significant draw for those seeking dependable cash flow from their investments. The ability to pay these monthly dividends comes from its large portfolio. Realty Income owns thousands of commercial properties across various regions. These properties are leased to many different businesses. These businesses pay rent to Realty Income. This rent is the primary source of the company's revenue. With a steady stream of rental income, the company can confidently distribute dividends. The scale of its operations is truly impressive and supports its financial promises. This foundation, built on a vast and diverse real estate portfolio, is crucial for its consistent dividend policy. Realty Income is not a newcomer to the real estate market. It has a long and established history. Over many years, it has built a strong reputation for reliability and performance. Investors often look for stability and dependability when choosing where to put their money. Realty Income aims to provide both of these qualities consistently. Its consistent performance throughout various economic cycles has made it a significant name among REITs. People count on its steady payments. This trust has been earned through decades of dependable operations and a clear focus on shareholder returns. The company's dividend history is truly remarkable and sets it apart. For over 5 decades, Realty Income has paid monthly dividends to its shareholders. That is an impressive 55 years of consistent payouts, a testament to its enduring business model. Think about all the economic changes and market fluctuations during that extensive period. Through various ups and downs in the economy, the dividends kept flowing reliably. In fact, it has made 658 consecutive monthly dividend payments as of early 2025. This consistency shows a strong and unwavering commitment to its shareholders. It's a track record that very few companies can match. Not only has Realty Income paid dividends consistently, but it has also increased them over time. For the past 27 consecutive years, the company has raised its total annual dividend payment every single year. This is a significant achievement for any company. It means that investors are not just getting the same amount each month without change. Their income from Realty Income has the potential to grow steadily over time. This growth can help protect their purchasing power against the rising cost of living, also known as inflation. Such a record of dividend increases is a clear sign of a healthy, growing, and financially sound business. Let's look at the most recent numbers for its dividends. The latest declared monthly dividend was 26.85 cents per share. This amount was payable to shareholders on May 15, 2025. To receive this particular dividend, an investor needed to be on record as owning the stock by the close of business on May 1, 2025. Therefore, the last dividend pay date, as of today, May 20, 2025, was indeed May 15, 2025. The company's forward dividend yield is currently around 5.8%. This yield gives investors an idea of the annual return they can expect from dividends relative to the current stock price. How does Realty Income afford these regular and growing payouts? Its business model is specifically designed for steady and predictable income generation. The company collects rent from its tenants every month. This monthly cash flow aligns perfectly with its commitment to paying monthly dividends. Realty Income primarily uses a triple net lease structure for its properties. This means that the tenants are responsible for most of the property-related operating expenses. These expenses typically include maintenance costs, property taxes, and insurance premiums. This lease model significantly reduces Realty Income's own operational costs and financial uncertainties. A key strength of Realty Income is its diverse tenant base and revenue sources. No single tenant makes up more than 4% of its total annualized contractual rental revenue. This is very important for maintaining financial stability and reducing risk. If one particular tenant faces business difficulties, it does not severely impact Realty Income's overall income stream. The company leases properties to nearly 1,600 different clients. These clients operate across a wide variety of industries, providing further diversification. Many are well-known, financially strong businesses like Walmart, 7-Eleven, and Dollar Tree. This broad diversification helps ensure a reliable stream of rental income. Realty Income actively seeks out and pursues opportunities to grow its extensive portfolio. A major recent strategic move was the successful acquisition of Spirit Realty. This was a very large and significant transaction valued at approximately $9.3 billion. When a company makes such a substantial purchase, it greatly expands its overall size and operational reach. The Spirit Realty acquisition added many more income-generating properties to Realty Income's already vast holdings. This, in turn, increases its potential to earn more rent and further supports future dividend payments. Such strategic acquisitions are a key part of its ongoing growth strategy, helping the company to become even stronger. Beyond that one very large deal, Realty Income consistently continues to invest in new properties. In the year 2024 alone, the company successfully completed $3.9 billion in other property acquisitions. This demonstrates a consistent and disciplined effort to expand its asset base year after year. These newly acquired properties contribute to higher overall revenues for the company. They also further diversify the portfolio across different geographical locations and various tenant types. Continuous investment is crucial for a real estate investment trust. It helps to fuel ongoing dividend growth and enhance shareholder value over the long term for sustained success. The scale of Realty Income is truly impressive in the current market. It owns a massive portfolio of over 15,600 commercial properties. To be precise, the number as of early 2025 stands at 15,627 commercial real estate properties. These properties together offer about 342 million square feet of leasable space to its tenants. Imagine the vast physical area this covers across multiple countries. The company currently has a substantial market capitalization of around $59 billion. It conducts its business not just within the United States, but also operates in 7 other countries in Europe. This global presence further diversifies its operations and risk profile. Realty Income holds a prominent and respected position in the global real estate world. It is currently ranked as the 7th largest real estate investment trust, REIT, in the entire world. This high ranking clearly underscores its significant importance and considerable influence within the industry. Another clear sign of its underlying strength is its consistently high property occupancy rate. Currently, an impressive 98.5% of its properties are leased to tenants. This is a very healthy figure for any real estate company. It indicates that there is strong and sustained demand for its properties. It also reflects the effective and prudent management of its assets. The company is not just resting on its past successes and laurels. It is actively planning and executing strategies for future growth through new strategic initiatives. One particularly exciting development is the recent launch of a private capital investment fund platform. The first fund established under this new platform is named the US Core Plus Fund. This new venture allows Realty Income to tap into the vast and often less accessible US private real estate market. This market is valued at an estimated $18.8 trillion, offering substantial opportunities. It opens up entirely new avenues for investment and income generation for the company. Realty Income has clearly identified several key areas for its future expansion and growth. These include further targeted growth in the robust U.S. industrial property market, which has seen increased demand. It is also looking to strategically expand its presence and portfolio in Europe, building on its existing international operations. Additionally, U.S. casino properties and the rapidly growing sector of U.S. data centers are targeted growth sectors. The total addressable market across these identified expansion areas is estimated at a huge $14 trillion. This demonstrates a clear and ambitious vision for the company's continued future development and success. In conclusion, Realty Income consistently shows remarkable resilience in various market conditions. It operates with a clear, forward-looking approach, always planning for the future. Consider the evolving retail market in 2024. While some 7,325 U.S. retail stores closed their doors, it's also true that about 5,970 new stores open. This activity shows that stronger, well-capitalized retailers, the kind that form Realty Income's tenant base, are still thriving and expanding. The company's robust business model is built on these reliable and financially sound tenants. Its unwavering commitment to its shareholders, perfectly exemplified by the monthly dividend company registered trademark promise, remains absolutely central to its identity and operations.